Ever had that one nosy roommate or sibling who just can't mind their business? You hide a folder, they find it. You rename it, they still open it. Well, today I'm showing you how to lock any folder with a password using WinRAR. Quick, free, and even your smartest cousin won't crack it. Let's go. Before we start, get WinRAR. If you don't already have WinRAR, don't worry, it's free to install. I've dropped the official download link right in the description below. Click to download the preferred version for your system, and install it. Right-click the folder you want to protect, mine is saved as secure. From the menu, click Add to Archive. That opens up the WinRAR settings. Click Set Password. Type your desired password. Check Encrypt File Names, this hides what's inside. Then click OK. Click OK again to create the locked.rar file. Your folder is now protected. You can delete the original folder if you really want it hidden. To access the file, just double-click the .rar file. Enter your password to unlock it. Without the password, no one can see or open your files. And that's it. You've just locked a folder with a password using WinRAR, completely free to try. If this helped, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Praise Tech Studios for more quick tech tips. And remember, the download link is waiting for you in the description below. I'm Douglas.